Okay, let's make us start. It's IELTS speaking part 1. Do you like your name?
Yeah, of course, everybody has his own name, and I enjoy my name because
How do you enjoy your name? Like
because
Asad, Asad.
because I the most favorite name of this universe I consider to be my
All
name.
right, all right. So therefore, I
I
love
love
my
my name.
Okay, there are certain things which we cannot enjoy, but you can say when someone calls
Enjoy
my
some,
name,
yeah, I enjoy that.
that very
Yeah,
much.
yeah.
So listening to my own name, it really amuses me. Okay, very good. Let's go on. Would you like to change your name in the future?
In as I like my name so much, so its name, the meaning of my name is to a giver, present something to someone. So I don't wanna change my name in my future because it's awesome.
All right. Do you have a nickname?
Yeah, I have a Chinese nickname which is Fang Yu, and my Chinese friends and other my close friend Pakistani friends, they would like to call me Fang Yu, but yeah, I have my
All right. What's your Chinese nickname?
Fang Yu.
All right. That's good.
It's also
Interesting.
meaning a giver or present
Okay,
giver.
same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. How do people select names for their children?
We live in an Islamic society in Pakistan, and mostly there people love to have a Islamic name instead of like religious name instead of any other name. So mostly people like to have a name from the family of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or the related names would
All
be
right.
preferred here.
Do you think names or our names influence us?
Yeah, I think so a lot, because when you know the meaning of your name and then to you try to become like that person. So whenever we took a name of someone, it's religious. We call a name of someone. So it's by religious is also like the person will be like that kind of person. So like me, so
Okay.
it's that people would love to.
All right, that's very good. Overall, it's fine. Keep it up like this, okay? And the way you are answering and enjoying this is very good.
Okay, thank
Let's go on. Your turn. Do you like getting up early in the morning?
Yes, I do get up like in the early in the morning.
I do get up like early morning. Right, brown. All right. Make proper sentences.
Okay.
Do you like getting up early in the morning?
Yes, I do.
Love to get up.
Yes, I do like to wake up early in the morning. At a first, I get up at Fajr in the morning.
I get up at dawn.
I get up at dawn for offering a prayer of Fajr, which is really important for our religion in Muslims. And after that, I do like some exercise and.
Okay, the topic is, do you like getting up early? So you say, I love getting up early because everything is fresh, especially when I go outside, I see the chirping, I see the birds around. So I love that very much. Therefore, I always enjoy waking up early in the morning, or I am an early riser. Focus waking up early in the morning, okay? Now, let's go on. What do you usually do when you wake up in the morning?
I usually I usually do exercise. I use exercise in the morning, which is a really, I think, which is a really good habit for anyone. For anyone. And after that, if I have leisure time in the morning, so I read some books and different newspaper like Dawn News for my English, for betterment of my vocabulary and vocabulary.
All right. What's your favorite breakfast?
My favorite breakfast is a paratha with desi ghee paratha.
Desi ghee paratha with
Yes.
ubalya hoya anda. Yeah.
Yes.
With some makhan.
With omelette and with a cup of tea.
No, why cup of tea? Cha da magga.
Yes.
Something like that. Come on. Okay. So, you know this paratha and anda and all that. Instead of that, try to use English words. Okay, yeah, switch on your mic.
देसी इंग्लिश क्या होगी सर?
Forget about it. Desi geek English क्या होती है? You ask the examiner Desi geek English क्या होती है, and then you get 4 band in speaking. Okay? So try to use the words you already know. Don't try to translate and all that. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, what's your favorite breakfast? I like jam and egg very much. In the morning when I spread the butter on the slice, I really enjoy that. Come on, speak like this. Yeah, and you the paratha one.
Okay.
Huh? Okay. So, what's your favorite breakfast?
So my favorite breakfast is paratha.
Yeah, paratha. Come on.
चीज़ उसका नाम पराठा है, पराठे बोलेंगे।
All right, that's good.
इंग्लिश में मीनार पाकिस्तान कहेंगे ना सर?
Paratha is not Minare Pakistan. Paratha is something food item. You can call it flatbread. We call it flatbread. Or if you want to specifically say paratha, you should say fried flatbread. Name is okay. That all right. Then IELTS is IELTS. 4 band is 4 band. Okay. All right. Turn on the mic. Do you prefer to have breakfast alone or with your friends or family?
I prefer breakfast with my family because that is only time I have that is only time which I spend with my family. So I prefer with my family.
Do you send good morning message to anyone?
Yes, I do. I have different lot of WhatsApp groups where I share different kinds of morning messages, morning different messages
Good
like
morning and then heart with it.
with heart in it, red cards and different.
All right. So you enjoy that.
Yes, I do.
Okay, that's good. Overall, fine. Now listen carefully. In IELTS, if you use any traditional food, right after that you need to mention what that is. For example, what's your favorite breakfast? I love to eat paratha, which is a traditional flat bread, and people often eat that in the morning. Along with that, sometimes I eat halwa puri, which is also traditional food. It's more like fried flat bread along with some pudding. So you need to elaborate that. What's your favorite breakfast? Sometimes I like siri pie very much. I like pie very much with kulcha. I love kulchas. And some of you think by adding S with any English word will become English. Kulchas, parathas, naans, halims. It's not that, okay? Yes. So if you use any word which is traditional food item, you need to mention it's traditional food item. Yeah, and then don't argue. Paratha is paratha, anda is anda. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. All the best.